We got all the pieces taken out of the Jeep. It is day 100 working on this interior, and we got all the pieces taken out of the Jeep, and actually not even. We got the carpet, we got the panels, we got more panels, we got more carpet, and we got the seats in there that we have not grabbed yet. That is how much stuff we have to do today. We steam cleaned the carpet. It's looking a lot better than it did. Cleaned all the panels, and we are ready to put everything inside the Mustang. So this is before. As you guys can see, it's this ash gray color all the way around. All the way in the back, it's all ash gray. On the roof liner, it's the same color. Same with the back carpet back there. And as you guys can see, it's in the carpet all the way right there. Oh shit, that spider scared the baloney out of me, bro. He was hanging right in front of my face. Anyways, so we are going to completely rip this entire interior, and by the end of today, this whole interior is going to be mint and black. It's gonna be night and day difference. I can't wait to see the difference. But this is what the dash looks like. Already installed. Got the airbag as well. Where did I put it? Right here. Airbag is ready to be put in. I'm thinking by the end of today, this whole interior is going to be finished in mint. The only thing we don't have to complete the dash is we do not have the 10-14 overlay cover to make that fit. It comes in today at 7 o'clock. Maybe we could run home and grab it real quick and then install it, but other than that, we got everything else. Oh, and I ordered a 10-14 e-brake and boot. Actually, I already have the boot. It's over there somewhere. But I ordered a new e-brake because I can't do it right now, because actually I can. Alright, so if you guys can see, that goes down like right there, and it kind of gets in the way. I mean, it still doesn't affect brake on here, like the brake will turn off, but I just don't like how it's, you know, going over right there. So I ordered a new one of these. I think it should work. Andrew did say the pillars might be a little bit different, these pillars right here, but we're going to find out and see if it works, and hopefully it all fits and lines up good, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. But let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take everything out first and then start putting everything back in. One seat done, one more to go. Alright, so we got both seats out, took the roof liner off, got the side panels off, got to take the carpet out and this side panel, and then take out the carpet. Alright, we got the carpet out. It's bare to the bone. Everything is out. Oh, we still got to get that carpet. I think from here we're going to start putting everything back in. On this side we have all of the old panels and carpets and seats. And on this side we have all the new. Alright, so basically got a head start. We got the carpet in. Got the carpet back there in. And I'm going to work with this panel right here and put it in right here. I'm probably going to do the other side as well. There's that Challenger again. Does sound good. So this is where we're at. We got the panel in, we got the roof liner in, we got the visor on, we got the lights in. All right, to give you guys an update, we got the panels on right here. Got the carpet in, we got the side panels right here on, we got the roof liner on. I think I already said that. Now we're gonna tackle putting in the seats, the rear seats, and we're gonna work our way to the front of the car. We got the seats in, and it is starting to rain, unfortunately, but that is not going to stop us. We are still going to go at it. We got to put the seats in and a couple panels in the center console. It is officially raining pretty good. We had to go ahead and throw everything inside of here. If for whatever reason you guys are interested in any of this stuff, let me know. These are actually in pretty good condition. These are the rear seats. The rear seats are actually like pretty good. The passenger seat is pretty good as well. Driver's seat just has a rip right there. Let me know. I got all of this. If you guys want the dash, it is cracked a little on the top. Bracket, Corvette bumper. Might sell that one. Not selling that splitter. And if you guys need anything, side panels, visors, just let me know. So we're gonna lock her up. I do have the gauge cluster, the overlay and everything for a 1314. So we're gonna go home and grab that. Hopefully come back here and it's not raining. Look at her. We'll be right back. This is what we got in the mail. Dun, dun, dun. We got this. So we're not gonna use the overlay in the background where it says 160 AK over here. We're not going to use that. We just need this top part. We are back, and clearly it is nighttime, but and it's still lightning. But we're going to end up tackling the rest of the interior. All right, it is day 102. Not sure, but we are currently working on the wiring. So for this is a 2013 seat. Actually, all of them are 2013, but since that's mechanical, those plugs plugged right in. This one was the only one that didn't plug right in, so this is the plug that came out of this seat. And as you guys can see, it's not the same. I had to cut the plug out of my original seat right there, cut that off, and then I basically just found the wires that matched up with this one and wired it just like so. I'm gonna put some electrical tape around everything, and that's a wrap. Watch this. It works. So we are good to go. Let's put the seat in, and then we'll have basically a full interior. What we are working on now is I'm rewiring the light. To make that work, I got it set up right here. Finally got this bad boy to work. So basically, I don't know if I did the wiring wrong or not, but what I ended up doing was using this whole wire harness that was on here and transferred it to this. I tried using the wire harness for that, and it just wouldn't work. Got this in. I will need to get a new plug. It's not wired in right now. Got the seats in, got the airbag in, cleaned up a little bit. I say let's go ahead and tackle the speedometer now. This is the speedometer. We got the cover off of this one. We're about to clean this one, and so basically what we're doing right here is we're taking this cover and we're taking this off and we're putting it onto this. That way it'll line up with the bezel. I went ahead and skipped through, took the overlay cover off, and put it onto the Celine one, and this is what we're looking like. The dash is finally snapped on. It is in place. Everything is looking really good. We got the center console in. My shift boot comes in today. I'm excited. We're almost done.